Hey, what's up guys, it's Jonathan here. So far in this series, we've gone over part 1, which was an introductory into the series to give you guys some background info. We also did part 2 where we talked about how to determine what services you should provide on Fiverr. So now since we know what services we want to provide on Fiverr, let's get into making a Fiverr account. So in this video, I'll take you into my computer and we'll go step by step on how to create a Fiverr seller's account. So let's get into my computer, let's get right into it. Okay, so now since we're in my computer, let's go over how to set up your profile. Once you sign up for an account on Fiverr, you'll see a little bubble like this that has your profile icon on there. You click on it and you'll click become a seller. And then you'll click this become a seller button. And then here it is an introductory page. You discuss what you need to have for a successful profile, how to create one, how to publish a gig. There's a little video here. I do recommend that you watch it. It has some pretty good tips on there. I won't bore you guys with that, so let's continue. Here it talks about what makes a successful Fiverr profile. You want to take your time when you're making it. You want to make sure that you add as many professional links as you can. And you also want to accurately describe your professional skills. It actually requires you to put a profile picture on your account. So you can read over that, hit continue. Then it gives you a couple things that you want to avoid that's against Fiverr's community standards. Any misleading or inaccurate information, things like opening up duplicate accounts or requesting to take payments or communicating on other platforms that aren't Fiverr. Fiverr facilitates all of that services, so you don't really need to go onto a different platform. So here you fill out your personal information. So you put your first and last name. They do keep it private, so you don't have to worry about that. Add a profile picture. Unfortunately with Fiverr, you can't center your photo or you can't edit it. You want to take a horizontal picture, not a vertical one, because the vertical ones are the ones that usually tend to get a little wacky. You also want to make sure you're centered inside the viewfinder of your phone. So a little description, I just put my age, occupation, what I specialize in on Fiverr, and what gigs I'm open to. And then I end it with this little statement that says let's get to work to keep it light. Languages, if you do speak more than one language, you can add it here. You also want to make sure you select the appropriate level for each language. So for me, English is my first language. That is the language that I put on Fiverr. So hit continue. Then your occupation. You have about 6 to 7 choices for occupations you could choose. Given that I'm providing cover letters, resume services, and spreadsheet creation services, I decided to pick these 2 occupations, writing and translation. And some of the skills I picked was technical writing, resume and cover letters, and proofreading and editing. And then I selected the years that I've had experience doing this. I also picked programming and tech as well. And in that I picked data analysis, desktop applications, and mobile applications. And then I selected the years that I've been doing that as well. So then here in the skills section, you just want to add some skills that are relevant to the services you're going to be offering on Fiverr. So for example, it said I was going to do spreadsheets and just any other skills that are relevant to the services you're going to be offering on Fiverr. And then also you want to add your expertise level as well. And if your degree is applicable to the skills that you're going to be providing on Fiverr, you should add that as well into your profile. And you have any certifications that are related to your skills, you should also add that as well to your profile. When it comes to personal websites, if you do have your own professional website, then I do recommend that you add that to your profile as well. If not, you can always use your LinkedIn profile if you're comfortable with that, or you could just leave it blank. That all of those are completely fine. When you continue on to the next page, it leads you to linked accounts. So here you can link any of your social or professional social media platforms like Google, Facebook, Twitter, or Stack and Glitch Hub. Honestly, I don't know what Stack or Glitch Hub is. If anyone watching this video knows what it is, please leave a comment down below because I'd love to learn what these are. After you connected the platforms that you want to connect, you hit continue. Then here it talks about account security. You do have to verify your email, but your phone number is optional. But it's good to verify both with Fiverr so then they can keep your account as secure as possible. So I would say at some point you'd want to verify both your email and your phone number, but you could do it here if you want. So then here you'll click finish, and that's it. You set up your profile. So that's how you create a Fiverr seller account. Now, after you click the finish button, it does lead you into developing your first gig. And in the next video of this series, we're going to go over step by step on how to develop a gig and how to price. So make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell so you get notified when that video is posted. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for your YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel and helps push this video out to a wider audience. Is there something you would like to see out of this series? If so, leave it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, check out all my socials. I try to post there every day. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.